Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can solve the situation if your Sony Linkbuds ear or left earbud they are not working. So this is something you can do. You can try these two things. First, when you're gonna have both earbuds, you want to first try to do a reset with the phone. So take your phone. When you're gonna be in Samsung wearable, and here you would go to the bottom of it to earbud settings. Then in earbud settings, you're going to reset. So you're going to have Samsung wearable, go to bottom and press reset, and then press just OK. This is the first thing. The second thing what you can try to do is that you're going to have the earbuds and put them to the case. You want to hear the click. Now from the back, you just want to hold it for like 15 seconds until the whole process of resetting is going to through. Okay, and now you see it happened. And now you reset it. So let me know in the comments if this helped you. If this didn't help you, you want to have only one earbud in and try the whole procedure again. Maybe you can have different like kind of product. So try to with the one earbud, then the right earbud. And that's it. So thank you and have a great day and goodbye.